Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda and medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about which soap is better, natural soap or synthetic soap, or the soap that market is advertising and all our stars, heroes and heroines are taking shower with that soap. Is that soap is more better option or natural soap is more better option? Because sometimes we in our growing years especially we become very confused with the commercials that comes on television and we feel, oh my god, I also want to look beautiful, and we are so naive that we get into the idea like if heroine is taking shower with this soap, I will also take shower with the same soap and I will become beautiful. This is the observation of a child when he see media, when he see the world. So this is how he perceives, because everybody within us, we all are naive, we all are like small children, and we also feel like if we apply this costly soap, oh, maybe we will become beautiful. But in your experience, have you ever observed the difference when you take shower with some very synthetic soap and when you take shower with some natural soap? If you are health conscious, if you are into yoga practices, or even if you are more into self love, you will definitely see the difference when you take shower with the natural soap which has natural ingredients and plant based ingredients, how it impacts our body, how we feel, rather than the soap that has been synthetically, chemically processed soap, and it is in very nice packing with a lot of advertisements at the back, and even full ingredients are not written in that soap. After using that kind of soap, do you feel more better, or after taking shower with some natural soap you feel better? This is in all of us experience. Like once we take any natural soap, our skin stay normal, but if we take some chemically processed soap or synthetic soap, you will see after shower like this stretching of the skin happen, like it feels like soap doesn't suit me, and then just to remove that stretching and this dryness of the skin, there are other products in the market, this butter, that cream, after bath cream, this, that, but we not pay attention like actually why this is happening. This is happening because we are using synthetic soaps, and synthetic soaps do contain chemicals. So how we get to know like synthetic soap? Because synthetic soap is there because it has very beautiful fragrances and you smell so good after shower, so it feels like, oh, I too took shower with the best soap. But how is my experience? Not in terms of smell, but in terms of experience, how we feel it. We feel it like it is something very much stretchy, and our skin is very dry and very stretchy. Some lotion is needed to apply on the skin. So this craving we all feel. So definitely from our experience, if we see natural soaps are more better than synthetic soaps. So now what is this natural soap? Natural soaps are also coming in the market, they are also packed, they are also with fragrances, but the difference is natural soaps contain plant based material. Do you know this soap also grows on plant? It's a plant product, it's not like every time it is synthetically, chemically made. In our region, like where I stay, if behind me, if you can see, there is a very big plant. On this small fruits grows, like black colored, like the brownish colored fruits grows, and if you add water in that, it exactly turn out to be soap. So these plant products are being used in natural soap along with some essential oils and some natural herbs in some soaps have been used. So this is how natural soaps are being prepared. So because these soaps are with natural ingredients, definitely their cost is little bit high as compared to other synthetic soaps which are made in a mass production just to sell, and they are cheap, and definitely they remove also dust, they also kill bacteria. they also do things, but natural soaps also do the same thing. It is not like that soaps will kill more bacteria, it's not like that. Yes, but this is true, those soaps have more chemicals, and chemicals are not good for our skin. Even if you see a lot of researches are there, a lot of research papers these days are coming out, like this soap enhances allergy, this soap is bad for skin. And when we talk about skin, we all forget, like, skin is the largest organ of our body. Skin is not something layer, like we have organs like liver, kidney, stomach, intestine, brain, heart, lungs. Similarly, the skin, you know, outer layering which makes our which covers our face, our body, this is the largest organ in our body. No big organ than our skin is there on our body. Skin is the largest organ which protect us from the outside environment. And we also know skin has little pores, if you will observe from where these hairs grow. So skin, our skin also breathes in a way, and a lot of absorption happens from our skin, through our skin. So it is very, very important that we use only natural ingredients as far as possible for our skin. When it is needed, like once in a while, if you want to try makeup, if you want to try some soap, if you are in traveling somewhere and no other option is there, you can wash with water, or you always carry some mud thing with you, some natural packs you can use. So these also give the same effect if you are cleaning your face with them. And for hands, definitely sometimes if you are traveling, what to do, you can use some soaps, whatever is there, hand wash, whatever they are providing. But usually for daily use, try to have more and more natural soaps, because as we take care of our lungs, what kind of air we breathe, we take care of our stomach, what kind of food we are eating, we are also taking care, this is good for us, this is not good for us. We also take care what kind of clothes we should wear, like cotton clothes we should wear, linen clothes we should wear, or synthetic clothes we should wear. You know, we always make choices. Similar is true for your skin and soap. Because you should also use the natural things, so that it will not cause any kind of skin allergies, it will not harm your skin, it will not, because natural soaps keep your skin young for the long as compared to the synthetic soaps. In Ayurveda also soaps are being mentioned, but limited. In Ayurveda there is a lot of other face packs, face scrubs, many other things are being mentioned in order to cleanse yourself. There are various kind of face packs. Regarding that, I have also created many videos, so you can go through my channel and watch how I have mentioned about face packs, various kind of herbs and face cleansing things that are mentioned in Ayurveda. You can make use of that also. But if you feel like it is very old fashioned, you don't want to do that, so it is also your choice. But at least this much you can do, that shift to natural soaps, because natural soaps are more better than synthetic soap. One another thing, if you see, these natural soaps are biodegradable, and that's why the pollution in the environment will become less if you are using natural soap, because natural soap anyway nature is growing, so it doesn't pollute the earth that much as compared to these synthetic chemical soaps, because these soaps are non-biodegradable. Many of them are non-biodegradable, and you see, if non-biodegradable thing is sticking on your skin, you can read research papers how good it is or how bad it is. So now what to do? If I already had a lot of dryness because of the synthetic soaps and chemical soaps, and now if I start using natural soap, does this dryness will go in one day? In one day this dryness will not go. Eventually you need to start applying some coconut oil or some natural oil on your skin, or aloe vera, to hydrate your skin from within, so that slowly the impact of these chemicals which your skin is containing, it will vanish from your system. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. You can click the bell icon, hit the subscription button, so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care.